welcome back to another video. Today I'm here and I'm playing Ryder. This is a game that I am currently playing on PC. And let's just say, I hope you guys enjoy. So, as you guys have noticed, I've been getting a few views already. It's been real good. Yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Oh, and yeah, it's been good, so I want to thank you guys for that magical start off. And yeah, thank you for being really supportive. Oh man. So, basically, I just wanted to quickly show you this video. I'm not sure how long it will be, but I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and I just wanted to tell you guys the actual, oh sorry for this, give me a sec, just wait. Okay, so I actually wanted to tell you the reason why I haven't been putting my face in lately, and that reason actually is that, one, I'm just doing some experiments, and two, I will put those in my bigger videos, so I'm thinking more than 5 minutes, but this is going to be shorter than 5 minutes, so. Also, I'm going to do more reaction videos, and I've solved the problems for that, so don't you worry. Also, one more thing. Thank you for your support, guys. I appreciate it so much. It's just amazing how I went up 5 subscribers last night compared to what I had. So even though it's only 8 subscribers, I appreciate it, and I appreciate my friend, Pain Train, so just please go look at him. He's a beast, and he has a couple of nice videos, which one of them I did react to, which was Vortex Tricks by him. So that was, oh man, that was good. What the hell? Started to write, oh my freaking gosh. Oh man. Alright, so my best is 14. We can beat this on this round. Let's go, boys. 4? Just 10 more. Let's go. Oh man. Oh, we got halfway there. Let's go. Come on, boy. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but yeah. Okay, so I'll do a couple more, and then, yeah, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. Basically, yeah, just thank you for the support, and yeah, let's just continue playing. This game is actually not that easy on PC, because, like, it's less, how do I explain this? Well, just like, oh, see, like, I almost beat my high score. Let's go, boys. 3 already. 4. 5. Oh my gosh. Well, it should be 5, 6. 2. 8. Oh my gosh. That would have gone well too. Okay, so that score is 9. 1, 2. Eat that. Eat. Oh man, that was alright. Over. Oh no, alright, let's go, boys. We can get 14 if we don't rush it. Okay. Okay. Let's go one more more time, boys. One more. Oh, nice. Boys. One more. Yes, boys. 18. Let's go. 20. So 20. Alright. If you guys enjoyed this video, yeah, just like and subscribe, and that would be completely amazing. And yeah, just thank you for watching.